Today is lesson 9.6 on comparing fractions. Let's begin with our do now. Partition each shape into fourths, then use the fraction next to it to determine how many parts should be shaded in. Do your best. Now let's do some fluency. Describe the cube train using fractions. Let's look at the first one. There is one yellow cube and 3 red cubes. If you guess that 1/4 is yellow and 3/4 is red, you are correct. Let's look at the next one. There are 3 yellow cubes and 1 red cube. If you guess that 3/4 is yellow and 1/4 is red, you are correct. Let's look at number 3. There are 2 yellow cubes and 2 red cubes. If you guessed 2/4 or 1/2 is yellow and 2/4 or 1/2 is red, you are correct. Let's look at the last one, number 4. There are 4 yellow cubes. If you guessed 4/4 or 1/2 is yellow and none is red, you are correct. Good work. Now, let's get into today's skill focus. Today we are going to learn how to compare 2 or more fractions of the same size. Before we begin, we need to understand what a unit fraction is. A fraction shows equal parts of a whole. Take a look at this circle. How many parts is this circle partitioned into? Correct, it's partitioned into 2 equal parts. Now, what fraction does this piece represent? The shaded piece. It represents 1/2. Take a look at this circle. How many parts is this circle partitioned into? You got it. It's partitioned into 3 parts. And how much does this shaded part represent? It represents 1/3. Take a look at this circle. How many parts is this circle partitioned into? 4 parts. Very good. And what fraction of the circle does this shaded piece represent? 1/4. You got it, second grade. Take a look at this circle. How many pieces is this circle partitioned into? 5 parts. Great job. So what fraction of the circle does this piece represent? 1/5. Now, let's use these same pieces to help us compare our fractions. The other day, my mom made 2 sandwiches. I ate 1/2 of the sandwich. My mom ate 1/4 of her sandwich. Who ate more of their sandwich? If I was to compare these fractions using the terms greater than or less than, how would I describe the 2 parts of the sandwich that were eaten? Who ate more? Who ate less? I would say that I ate the greater amount of the sandwich than my mom, because 1/2 is greater than 1/4, or the other way around, 1/4 is less than 1/2. Let's try another one. My brother and I shared a pizza. I ate 1/5 of the pizza. My brother ate 1/3 of the pizza. If I was to compare these fractions using the terms greater than or less than, how would I describe the two parts of the pizza that were eaten? Who ate more and who ate less? I would say I ate less pizza than my brother because 1/5 is less than 1/3, or the other way around, 1/3 is greater than 1/5. Great job, second grade. Now it's your turn. Print or copy this sheet on a piece of paper, complete it, upload it to Portfolio on Class Dojo, or you may print it from the PDF posted to Class Dojo. Happy learning, friends!